So my main priority is life safety. So I take care of all the fire safety. So I'll make sure that everything's up to code, make sure the fire department's happy, make sure the state is happy. So basically anything related to, the well-being of the building. I consider it like a ship. So if it's got a little leak, we got to fix it. My name is Jeff Charbonneau. I am the Building Service Director at Desert Springs Senior Living. Actually, I owned a business that had dealt with nursing homes and assisted living, and so I kind of sold that business off and then got to know many directors and EDs, and it's something that I had a huge background in as far as also construction, so I just kind of easily slipped into it. I mean, it's great to come to a facility and they don't have to worry about anything. I mean, it comes to a point where you can't live on your own anymore, and and it's family members always try to get you someplace nice that that's secure, and they're going to be well taken care of, and I think this is probably one of the best I've ever been to as far as a building with staff, wonderful staff, great management. Everybody really does care.